everyone, greetings. You're here again with Chef India Camille from Back to Live by Chef India. And I am all smiles right now. Why? Because Raw Food for Foodies is launching. That's right, it is finally here. 420 pages of deliciousness. It's not just excellent recipes, right? We got all kind of things in there, all kind of information on sprouting, information on soaking, information on tools, information on the boss tips, my boss tips, because I am a boss, right, when it comes to the raw food for foodies, okay?
I call shots like a boss.
Okay, so I'm really excited. What Raw Food for Foodies is about is really to make raw food, what people have been calling raw food or raw living food, accessible for everyone in the world, no matter where you're from, no matter what kind of money you have or you don't have, what kind of, doesn't matter. It really doesn't matter. Whatever your disposition is, you will be able to pick up this book. You'll be able to make delicious foods for you and your family, cost effectively, time effectively, and you will not have to worry about being satisfied, right? It is my baby of 13 years. 13 years I've been on this journey. 13 years I've been working to bring back a full vitality within myself. So this is that book right here. This is the book for all people who are looking into having a higher vitality about their life, even if you're not looking to be full 100% all live. Okay, so some of the sections include, some of the section includes breads, crackers, chips, food for children, because we know that the children carry the chi, so that's why we call it children, right? We also have India's signature dishes, which includes things like the enlightened enchiladas, or the Belizean nut meat patty, or the Creole tamale, right? All right, and again, it's all live, it's all plant-based, and it is no guilt, no judgment. It even has what I call it, the hood famous cake, right? Like, my raw food cakes are famous in the hood because we love cake and we want things to taste good. So it really tastes like cake. You will never even know that, like, it's raw food or that it's made from what it's made from, and it's easy to create as well. What are some of the other chapters? We have chapters, informational chapters as well, on tools, what tools I recommend, what tools have been, I found to be the most useful. We have a section on ingredients, so it includes most of all of the superfoods that you probably know about or that you don't know about. It also includes nutritional profiles of these foods, so it includes information on all of the seaweeds, not just sea moss, right? Because sea moss is just one of the many seaweeds that we as plant-based people use so that we can get all of our nutrients in. What else does it include? Oh, it has breakfast as well, because I used to love having breakfast. So, you know, it has the pancakes in there, it has the crepes up in there, it has the Better Than Jimmy Dean sausage up in there. So, you know, it really has food for foodies. This book is for foodies, whether you're a raw foodist, even if you still eat animal products and you just want a little break. Maybe you have one day a week that you decide you want to be raw, or you want to go raw, or you're looking into eating plant-based and raw living foods, then this is the book to have. I promise you, the recipes are super easy to create. They're affordable. They're cost affordable, if that's a term. And it's exciting because it's like there's nothing like it. I promise you, there is nothing like it. It's 420 pages. 420 pages of deliciousness. So anyways, check the link below, right? Or check the link in the link or somewhere over there, and then, you know, purchase the book. The ebook is $99. And I promise you, it's also worth it, right? And the book is so beautiful. I took my time, just like I take my time with the food. I took my time to create a beautiful layout that says so much about raw food for foodies. Raw food is for everyone. Everyone can have their vitality. Everyone can be jumping around and have a lot of energy and feel great about life and be ready to take on whatever challenges, because they don't have to worry about feeling sick or feeling down or feeling obese or having high blood pressure or having cancer or having any of those damaging, dysfunctional diseases, because you are raw. So anyways, I'm Chef India Camille. Check out the website, purchase the book,